Hey everybody, welcome to Geotech and More. Here I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane. This is how I currently make them. So here you go. First you make a fold down the middle of the paper. Then you make a fold on either side like this. So this is how it should look, like this. See? Just like that. And then from here you make a fold like this on either side. So now it should look like this, just like this. And now you should fold it like this. Once you get the two folds down on either side, you fold it over like this. And then you make a wing on one side. Here I made a wing on the left side, just like that. You fold it down like that. So it's from here to here like that. And now you have your two wings. You do either side like that. You fold it either side. And there you go. You have your paper airplane. There you go, ready to take off. See, just like that. And then you like zip it away. Hey everyone, thanks for watching one of my random hobby videos here in Geotech and More. Take care.